Has anyone in the history of ever enjoyed meal prep? No, I'm not one of those people. The things that take the most time with meal prep is the cooking, the chopping, the cutting, the mixing. Eliminate some of those. Don't do those if you don't have to. Remove the cook time by grabbing things that are already cooked. For example, I found this cooked chicken for a little bit more than raw chicken, but it saves me a ton of time because it's already prepared for me. I've always wanted to slice or chop like those people on Top Chef, but I'm just too slow. So things like chopped lettuce and chopped veggies save me a ton of time, and they save my fingers. Measuring, mixing, and washing takes a ton of time, so I buy pre-prepped food when I can, like chicken broth and sauces, or keto chow, shameless plug, but I do like my sweets. With minimal mixing, you can add savory or sweet keto chow to your recipes to give it more body, flavor, and heft. These type of shortcuts allow me to make a whole bunch of meals without spending tons of time at the stove or at the sink. Being healthy is about making my life easier, so you might as well make your meal prep easy. Then go enjoy your life and know that your meals are waiting, ready for you to enjoy.